Okay, good morning everyone. First we are going to try this example. You are going to try this example from last lesson. Pause the video, read the question, try it. If you have tried that, go through the answer here, which is explained. If you have done that, then try this question number 2. Pause the video and try it. Now I'm going to explain it. This question is just like the other question, but here we have to consider the internal resistance. So if you have 3 cells, each of 1.5, means you have an overall total EMF of 4.5 volts. Now this 4.5 volts is producing a current of 0.27 amps through a resistor of through a lamp of resistance 15 ohms, right? So this EMF is the total energy transformed to chemical form. The total chemical energy EMF is the total chemical energy transformed to electrical form. So 4.5 is the total chemical energy given to each coulomb of charge leaving this battery. From that, certain energy portion of the energy is converted to light. Now we can calculate that using the equation. Now V is equal to I times R. 0.27 times 15, that is equal to 0.27 times 15 is equal to 4.05 volts. So 4.05 volts, that is 4.05 joules per coulomb. So for each coulomb that was coming from the battery, from the energy it was bringing, that is 4.5 joules, 4.05 joules is used here. That's the meaning of 4.05 volts. But the overall energy that was given to each coulomb that was leaving the battery is 4.5 joules per coulomb volts. So the voltage that is dropping due to internal resistance is the remaining voltage. So inside there is a culprit, there is a parasite, which is the internal resistance, and that internal resistance is taking the remaining voltage 4.05. That gives you 0.45 volts. Now this is the total internal resistance of the 3 batteries that is taking 4.45 volts. So if you consider the voltage drop across one internal resistance, so this is 3 voltage drop across the 3R, in all 3 internal resistance together. So the voltage drop across one internal resistance is 0.15 volts, 1/3 of 0.45. Now through the internal resistance also the same current, the 0.27 amps is flowing. So you know V is equal V, so V is equal to IR and R is equal to V over I. 0.15 divided by 0.27, 0.15 divided by 0.27, 0.56 ohms.